When I stare at night in the star-studded sky and planets, I always wonder what is my place in this universe, in this grand scheme of things. Is your research able to answer that question for me?
Okay. First of all, let me just say what a pleasure it is to see fellow IITians and just have a conversation with all of you. Um, the question you asked is what brought me to be a cosmologist. These are questions I think all of us ask sometimes when we are not busy with things, while we are in bed trying to get to sleep. And what is all this? How do I fit into this? And these were questions I had as a teenager, and they're the same questions that philosophers ask. They're the same questions that religions ask. But I decided that I needed to have the tools to answer these questions for myself, try to gather whatever knowledge I could from these different fields. And so I consciously decided to pursue physics, because physics asks the question, why are things the way they are? And in particular, I decided to be a cosmologist. And cosmology asks the deepest questions, almost the existential questions. What is this universe I live in? Where did it come from? What is my place in it? So that's what led me to it. Now, my research had to do with the very large-scale structure of the universe. Everyone in cosmology or astrophysics who studies the cosmos it's sort of like we are in possession of one piece of the puzzle, and we are trying to figure out what part of the picture that piece fits into. But I never forget that really it's the big picture that matters. So as I tried to fit my piece into the big picture, as do other cosmologists, I always remember to step back and try to see the big picture. That is what really drives me and my passion.